Take these peaches, dice them. And put ground nutmeg. A little bit of cinnamon. Like 2 or 3. I like a tablespoon of brown sugar per like half a cup of peaches, right? We've got about 5 ounces, 4 or 5 ounces of cream cheese here. So, 8 biscuits would be about 1 ounce of cream cheese per biscuit. I'd suggest using a sweet biscuit like honey butter or sweet Hawaiian or something like that, but any biscuit will work. You can just roll the ingredients up, you can tear the dough in half, you can make a pocket, doesn't really matter. What does matter is that it gets sealed up properly. So, we're going to cover these in butter and put them in the oven. Take them and put them on the pan. Coat in butter or brown butter. $350, 13 minutes. As you see, I added too much butter and some of them split open, but a couple of them look pretty good. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and go on. I crushed some walnuts here, right under a half a cup. And we're going to add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar to it, shake that up. And we're going to brush some butter on the top instead of pouring it. You know, walnuts and brown sugar. Or just brown sugar, or you can do brown sugar and cinnamon. And now, transfer them to a plate. Make it look more pretty. Put that one aside for my taste test. Oh no. Okay. That is actually pretty good though. Yum. Boom. Cheers. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.